Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quiche Lorraine. Let's begin. Into a small bowl, place an egg and beat it until it's all come together. So into your food processor, you'll want to place your flour and your salt, along with your butter that has been chilled in the fridge before you use it. Then you can blitz it all together until they are combined. They will go a sandy, kind of breadcrumby consistency. Add in your egg and blitz it again until the egg is fully incorporated. And then onto a floured surface you can empty out the food processor and just add a bit more flour and just knead the pastry together until it's one smooth ball. So once your dough is smooth, you can then place it onto some cling film and wrap that up and place in the fridge for around an hour before you intend to use again. After about an hour, you can flour your surface again, remove the dough from the fridge and place it onto the floured surface and start rolling it out. You'll want to roll your pastry out quite large. It'll only be a couple of millimeters thick and this is what you're looking for. But then you'll want to get it big enough so it's bigger than your quiche tin or your pie tin, whichever you want to call it. So once your pastry is fully rolled out, you can then place it back over the tin and then just start to work the pastry in to the sides and onto the bottom. It may crack, and if it does, once you start trimming it away, you'll have some excess pastry which you can fix it up with. It happened to me. I can't say if it happened to you, but So here is what the pastry case looks like prior to being baked, but before you put it into the oven, you'll want to dock the pastry. This is just to stop the pastry rising while it's baking. So seeing as we are blind baking this pastry case, you'll want to line your tart case with some greaseproof paper and baking beans. Then you can just place this into the oven to bake. So to start on the filling for the quiche, you'll want to get yourself a large bowl and place in your eggs along with the salt and pepper, the double cream and the milk. Then give it all a good whisk together just to combine them all together. Then you can go ahead and add in the bacon which has been cooked along with the cheese and the onion and just give that another mix just to incorporate that into the mixture. I'll use the spatula but feel free to use a wooden spoon if you want. Then you'll want to pour your filling into the pastry case and just level it off a little bit if it's not very even. If it is, don't worry. I will leave all the baking times and temperatures in the blog post and that link for that will be in the description down below. So once you've got it ready, you can put it into the oven and bake it off. So it's a short while later and here is the quiche. It's fully baked and been allowed to cool down completely. I then cut myself a portion and enjoy it. Let me tell you, this is much better than the ones you get in the supermarkets. The ones in the supermarkets are quite watery. This one is filled from literally top to bottom. The pastry tastes much better. It's just 100% better. It costs more but totally worth it. So if you get the chance to, make one. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And share this with your friends and family if you really want to. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out my social medias and my blog. All that information will be in the description down below. But until next week, that's all guys. Bye.